Hello, boys and girls. So lately, I've been experiencing frame lags and etc. on the game called Blade and Soul. So I don't know what kind of server is this. Or maybe China, Japan, Korea, NA or EU. But then we really have the same problem: frame lags, FPS drops, FPS drops. Um, FPS drops. Yeah, that's basically the main point here. So at first, I'm going to explain to you that the things that I have researched on maybe 5 hours yesterday. So the things that I've been tackle about is how to optimize Blade and Soul. So basically, Blade and Soul doesn't eat much of GPU or something like that. Graphic card. It doesn't eat much of GPU power. What it uses is the CPU power output. So first and foremost, everyone, you should go to your settings. Okay? Then go to your systems, power, additional power settings. You put it to high performance. If ever you're using Windows 10, you must put it to high performance. It really helps the performance of the game. It improves it. Basically a lot of people have been suggesting it, so I'm just reiterating it in order for you guys to know which is which. And then next, so if ever you do that, okay. So I really don't know where the next. The next thing I learned is that you really have is about how to uh, how to do the course. So as you noticed, you should go to control yes task manager, and then go to performance, open resource monitor, and then you can see here how many cores have you been working. As you notice, I only have 4 cores. 4 cores. Where did my other 4 cores go? Because I have let's see. Okay, I'm gonna show you my settings. No, no, no. See, I have i7. I7 has 8 cores. No, no, no. 4 cores, 4 cores, and 4 threads to be exact. Those 4 cores help. Those 4 cores are being helped by the 4 threads in processing, but it is not game friendly. Why? For gamers, the games utilize the cores itself. So if ever, you have like 4 cores and 4 threads, in result, which is hyper threading. Hyper threading, yes. It is like this hyper threading is usually enabled in i7 or i5, and I'm really not so sure about the i3, but basically uh, that's far as I've known. So to people who have i7 and i5 and who not and is playing at Blade and Soul and and has seen like dramatic changes like FPS stutters, even. And why would you ask yourself, oh, I have i7, why would I have this FPS drop? So what happens there is that Blade and Soul only utilizes 2 cores. Yes, 2 cores, boys. 2 cores is equals old engine. This game is old. We have to admit it. But it doesn't mean that it can't keep up. So what happens here is that with those two cores being utilized, two cores utilization, with hyperthreading, it spreads out the utilization, right? Because the other threads and the cores help it. So if ever it helps the other cores, so the two main cores that have the blade and soul application would be reduced because of hyperthreading. Got it? You know? Did you guys get it? Got it? So why would why would they do that? Because basically in hyperthreading it's going to separate the processes that it does. It is this hyperthreading is only friendly for video editing and other stuffs wherein you have to use a lot of application for a single individual to run. But here in gaming you only have like one process where you have to bottleneck the cores to its output and maximum output, because if ever you share it, and then it means that you are decreasing the power of the core, the power processing of the core, if ever it's going to be shared, and it is not friendly for the blade and soul game application. So in order to get the maximum output out of your cores, you have to disable hyper threading. Yes, disable it. How? Okay, how to disable it? It is pretty easy. I saw it yesterday on YouTube. It was pretty fast. So what I did, what you just have to do is just like reset your computer. Step 1. Okay, I will write it. Step 1, reset PC. Step 2, open BIOS. How to open BIOS? It's either delete, F2, F11, F12. I'm pretty not sure about etc. So it should run. It should run the BIOS. Step 3, go to your CPU settings. It's usually at advanced. Step 4, find hyperthreading, then disable it, and then you exit and reset the game. Reset your PC. Simple. Save it. Save your settings. Okay, don't forget it. So by the time that you do that, you will see that you are only having 4 cores. Yep, 4 cores. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before, I'm sorry, I really have done the before, when I was still at a hyperthread. So okay, so what's the difference? So I took a screenshot when I was still playing the game, and as you can see, pam pam, there, it has eaten all the cores, all of the cores. So with all of the cores running, you really know that this shit is legit. If ever you notice a hyperthreading, with the hyperthreading, if ever you did not disable it, it doesn't go this much. It only has like the processing section only has like maybe 30 to 40%. It really doesn't bottleneck. If ever it goes 80, you 80%, you are going to see a sudden reduction in your FPS because they're going to separate it. So Hopefully, I helped you out of this mess in the Blade and Soul section. So peace out. See you guys. Okay, okay. So, just another thing. You go to NVIDIA control panel. This is a normal thing, but I'm just going to share it again. Okay, it's loading. Go to program settings. This really helped me a lot. Trust me, this really helped me a lot. And yep, you see this? Yep, you see this? You have to put it on maximum performance, and single display performance. You should do that, and you're all set up. And by the way, you should put this. How to do it? You just press this add. The By adding it, it will okay, you can see the games and the applications that you've been using. So you just have to literally just press it, and then you edit it. Okay, peace out, boys. Thank you.